for myself, three key takeaways for the performance management workshop. The first was actually I will say this fundamental goal. There was this alignment between the HR myself and my supervisors on this performance management. Then because in the past, right, Linky as an SME, small, medium-sized enterprise, and especially in the food manufacturing industry, HR or performance management isn't called priority. So we are able to, through this training, right, to set up this fundamental goals, this alignment communication with our employees. Then secondly, we are able to actually develop this talent assessment metric where Dr. Lee actually taught us this 9-box talent assessment matrix. Last but not least, okay, which is actually our key objective for the training, we are able to conduct performance conversation. So back in Linky, when we say there's people issues, it's always HR job, HR issues. So as part of the key objective for this performance management training with Dr. Lee, we are able to actually teach and guide and coach our supervisors to learn how to actually conduct meaningful performance conversations with employees.